going on, everybody? Today I want to show you a really unique way you can make money with the current AI boom. And it's probably something you haven't seen before. I'm over here on this website, PromptBase.com. It's been around for about 6 months or so, I think now, maybe a little longer. And they just keep adding features to it, so it's being updated. As you can see here, featured in Wall Street Journal, Yahoo Finance, Wired, all these. I really think it's going to blow up. This is kind of the early stages of it, but AI prompting is just one of the really big things that's going to be part of the AI boom, and you're going to want to get on it early. That's what I'm trying to help you do right here. It's a public marketplace, so anyone can sell their own prompts here. It's very straightforward to sell a prompt. As you can see, you can go here to sell a prompt or to find a prompt. Let's go to the marketplace here and just kind of see. So for those of you that are familiar with Midjourney or even DALL-E, there's a lot of people selling prompts for those. I personally don't pay for Midjourney, so I don't sell any prompts there. Although if you have it, it'd be super easy to sell. It's something I'd highly recommend. Just play around with something, you make something cool, you might as well just go ahead and make a prompt for it, because people are always looking for all sorts of things on here. What I'm currently doing, I go to the GPT-3 or ChatGPT. Okay, it doesn't look like I can select both of them. We'll go to GPT-3. Look at some of the most popular ones, and it's the prompt generator is the number one. That's literally just a prompt that creates other prompts, which is pretty unique. All-in-one marketing tool, ultimate marketing audience. You guys are more than welcome to just check these out, but it's like an example input, example output, and so pretty cool here. Pretty cool prompt. Someone put a lot of work into that. That's why it's one of the top selling. But there's just, long blog writer, a prompt milker, master any topics. The sky's the limit. There's so many people trying to sell different things on here. You can just get creative with it. And if you don't have any ideas, you can, ask ChatGPT to come up with some ideas for you. So there's really no excuse not to be selling prompts on here. If we go to my account, we can see what I have. So I have a few that just got approved. My Shark Tank product creator, little personal recommendations thing. My first one that went live was this all-in-one YouTube SEO tool. I'm going to show you guys that. I highly recommend you guys come check it out, maybe even purchase it, because it is actually a really handy tool, and it's super cheap. I have a few more here that got declined, and I disputed those because I don't know why they would have gotten declined, but I just cut the video. It's because I accidentally showed the prompt. But basically, I don't want to actually show my prompt, but that's the product. I forget, since it's my page, it's going to show exactly what I entered there. But if we go to my Stripe dashboard here, you can see 2 sales so far, which isn't much, but it's pretty cool. I only have 3 things live, and like I said, these just dropped a day ago. So, if you really you can make prompts so fast here, and if you make some just quality ones, you could make, I guarantee, $100 a month at least. Probably way more than that from this website, just having, a lot of prompts up here, specifically higher quality ones and more like online business related ones, because those are the ones people want to buy. And so, just do something creative, put a little bit of time into it. And this prompt is up on this website, so I could be getting people buying it from me, for years down the road. And especially when this website blows up more, which I really think it will, it'll just be even more sales. And so go ahead and make things now, get on it early, get some good prompts made. And then, just keep making them as new developments come out. So that way you can be the first one. And then when this thing kind of takes off, you're set, because people will be, buying stuff on here all the time. I think it's just really important. Go ahead and get your prompts up. If you guys want another video kind of going into how to do that, I can just kind of quickly demo it here. But basically you just select what you're selling for, enter a name, and then a description, and then you would actually enter the prompt after the price when you click this next button here. But I just want to do a quick little speedy kind of heads up about this. Make sure you're getting on it now. This is the future, guys. AI prompting. Most people, if they took the time, could just figure out the prompts themselves, but no one wants to do that. And especially when most of these prompts are just like $3 to $5, it doesn't make sense for companies who are looking to use stuff, use AI for their business, to sit down and waste a bunch of time when they could just buy the prompt to do everything for them. So go ahead and help businesses out. Get your ideas out here. Anything in that online business niche is going to do really well on this website. So don't waste this opportunity. This is just something great you can do, when you have a little bit of free time. Throw a few things up here, and I guarantee it won't be too hard for you to make at least a couple sales. I've already done it, and I should make much more going forward. If things really take off for me, I'll be sure to keep you guys updated on that as well. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more AI content like this. Thanks.